In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an email field in Airtable so you can store and manage contact addresses in your bases. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open up your preferred web browser. Once it's loaded, head over to the Airtable website and click the Login button in the top right corner. Enter your credentials to access your workspace. Once you're in, locate and open the specific base you want to edit. Airtable bases are like project containers. So choose the one that holds the table where you need your new email field. After the base opens, select the table from the tabs at the bottom. This is important because each table in your base can have its own set of fields, and you want to make sure you're adding the email field to the right one. Now, look at the very end of your field headers. That's the row of column names at the top of your data. Click the small plus button there. This opens up the field creation panel. You'll see a text box for the field name, so type in something descriptive like email or contact email. Directly below that, you'll find a drop-down menu for the field type. Scroll through the list until you see email and select it. Airtable has a dedicated email field type specifically for handling addresses, so you want to pick that instead of just a plain text field. After that, click Create Field or Save to confirm. Now that your new column exists, click into any cell within that column. Type in a valid email address, for example, name@example.com. Make sure there are no extra spaces and that the @ symbol is present. Then press Enter on your keyboard to save the entry. Here's the great part. Airtable will automatically validate the format as soon as you hit Enter. If the address is correctly structured, it will be recognized and turned into a clickable link. You can click that link to open your default email app and start composing a message instantly. One quick tip. Double-check that all your entries are properly formatted because Airtable's validation relies on standard email rules. This email field is incredibly useful for CRM systems, contact lists, and any form where you need to reach out to people. For the most complete contact records, combine this field with a phone field and a name field right in the same table. And there you have it. You've successfully created an email field in Airtable, making your database smarter and more connected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.